Sometimes we want to count the number of characters present between two given index. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Wave, String API in Java. In this video we will learn codePointCount method of string, StringBuffer and StringBuilder classes. The method codePointCount of the class string is a public method which returns integer. It accepts two integer arguments, integer begin index and the integer end index. The method codePointCount returns the number of Unicode's code point, that is the number of characters in the specified text range of the caller string. Means in between the begin index and end index of the caller string, how many characters, how many Unicode code points are present, that will be returned by the codePointCount method as an integer. The method codePointCount throws index out of bounds exception if the begin index is negative or end index is larger than the length of the caller string, or begin index is larger than the end index. Here we have the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we have a string variable s which contains reference to a string hello. After that we are calling the method codePointCount by using the reference variable s with the arguments 0 and 3. The method codePointCount has to count the number of characters present between the index 0 and the index 3. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. That's how the output of the method codePointCount will be 3. Again, in this case, the output of the method codePointCount will be 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. In this case, the output of the method codePointCount will be 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So we need to do end index minus begin index. That will be the result of the codePointCount. But here in this case, the begin index is larger than the end index. In that case, the codePointCount will throw index out of bounds exception. In this case, the end index is more than the maximum index present in this string. The maximum index present in this string is 4, and here we are using the number 5 as the end index. So in this case also, the codePointCount method will throw index out of bounds exception. Here in this case again, the begin index and the end index both are more than the maximum index of this string. So in this case also, the codePointCount method will throw index out of bounds exception. In this case, we are using a negative index to the codePointCount method. In this case also, the codePointCount method will throw index out of bounds exception. Similar to the methods codePointAdd and codePointBefore, the codePointCount method is also present in the abstract StringBuilder class. From there, it gets inherited to the two children of abstract StringBuilder class, the StringBuffer and the StringBuilder. After inheriting, the StringBuffer class change it to synchronized. But after inheriting, the StringBuilder class does not change anything in the codePointCount method. So in this case, if we are talking about the StringBuffer class, in this case, here we should use the word synchronized. Now this is perfect. All the rules of the codePointCount method are same in all these three classes, in string class, in StringBuffer class and in StringBuilder class. This is the same code as the previous one with only one change. In the first statement of the method main, we are using the StringBuffer class instead of the string class. Rest of all the statements are same and all the outputs are also same. The code will work same if you use here the StringBuilder class instead of the StringBuffer class. In that case also it will work same and will output same. So that's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.